am climbing up the inside of a lighthouse. Zoe is not with us because, well, she didn't fancy all these stairs. We're going to go to the top. Now, where are we? Now, I'm going to obviously mispronounce this. To us, it might be Phare, P-H-A-R-E. I think it might be pronounced as Par. Now today's been a bit of a terrible, miserable day with the weather. Not much videoing. Since I'm inside, I thought I'll switch the camera on, you know. We're almost there now. There's a McDonald's up here. Let's take a look out here. It's very windy. Whoa. There's Herman. He spotted something. No idea. It's a bit more windy and wet this side, so I'm going to be quick. Hopefully nothing will hit the lens or the camera. It's a fantastic view though. And the other side, right next door to the lighthouse, is this building here. It looks like a half lighthouse. There's no light on the top, but it looks like it's a foghorn. That's right at the top there. Looks like a foghorn kind of thing. This is some sort of military station. Radar, I assume. You can tell how windy it is because my hand's moving with the wind. Now down there somewhere is Zoe. And I'm gripping this camera so hard because I feel like I'm going to drop it. Right, I'm inside this little thingy room now. Apparently we're 56 metres high. Felt a bit higher than that, to be honest, with all those stairs. I don't know what that is up there. Probably the bulb. Right, going to make our way back down now. I just found out there's 307 stairs. And they're all down there, look. So we made it. Wasn't that difficult. Quite impressive really. Right, let's go and find that Zoe. I don't like looking over the edge. Wow. 56 metres high. Right, okay, let's go.
Thanks for watching our video. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed or leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more video updates or maybe even watch one of our previous videos. Bye bye now.